Welcome back to AI Alert Room. I'm Elena Volkov. Let's get you up to speed on what's happening in AI this week. Let's begin. One of the biggest developments this week came from OpenAI. The company released GPT 5.4, a major upgrade focused heavily on autonomous workflows and long context reasoning. One of the standout features is its massive 1 million token context window. That means the model can process enormous amounts of information simultaneously. Entire books, massive codebases, long-term projects, multi-step business operations. Instead of forgetting information quickly like earlier systems, these newer models are beginning to maintain much deeper contextual awareness across complicated tasks. And that's important because the industry is shifting towards something called agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to systems capable of operating more independently, not just answering questions, but actually performing sequences of actions, researching, planning, making decisions, using software tools, completing workflows across multiple applications. The goal is no longer just AI that talks. The goal is AI that acts. Google is moving aggressively in the same direction. This week, Google expanded Gemini's integration across Workspace products. The system can now automate more content generation, data analysis, scheduling, organization, and productivity workflows directly inside business tools used by millions worldwide. The competition between OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, Microsoft, and Chinese AI firms is becoming increasingly intense, and that competition is driving extremely rapid development. Speaking of China, DeepSeek made major headlines after unveiling a new 1.6 trillion parameter model. That scale is enormous. The company continues positioning itself as one of the strongest open-weight competitors in the global AI race. What makes DeepSeek especially important is not just model performance, but efficiency. The company became famous for challenging the assumption that only massive Silicon Valley spending could produce frontier-level AI systems. Now, many analysts believe China's open model ecosystem could become one of the biggest long-term threats to U.S. dominance in artificial intelligence. And the geopolitical implications are massive. Because AI is no longer viewed as just a tech industry, it's increasingly viewed as infrastructure, economic infrastructure, military infrastructure, scientific infrastructure, national power infrastructure. That's why governments and corporations are pouring unbelievable amounts of money into the sector. This week, reports emerged that SoftBank is evaluating a possible $100 billion investment into AI infrastructure projects in France. $100 billion. That alone shows how serious the global AI arms race has become. The future bottleneck of AI may not be algorithms anymore. It may be compute, data centers, energy grids, semiconductor supply chains, cooling systems, and access to advanced chips. AI systems are consuming enormous computational resources, and whoever controls the infrastructure may control the next technological era. Meanwhile, NVIDIA introduced a project called Ising, focused on accelerating quantum computing research using AI systems. This is where things start sounding almost science fiction. Quantum computing combined with advanced AI could eventually solve problems that would take traditional computers thousands of years. Drug discovery, material science, cryptography, climate simulations, advanced optimization systems. We are still early in that transition, but the groundwork is clearly being laid. Microsoft also made major moves this week by releasing new open-source security tools designed to protect AI agents. And that reveals another growing concern inside the industry: AI security. As AI agents become more autonomous, they also become new attack surfaces for cybercriminals. This week, reports revealed that over 575 malicious AI skills and tools were discovered being used to hijack or manipulate AI systems. That's a major warning sign, because future cyber attacks may not only target humans anymore, they may target AI agents directly. Imagine malicious software manipulating autonomous AI systems, managing finances, infrastructure, customer support, logistics, or internal business operations. That's why AI security is becoming one of the fastest-growing sectors in technology right now. Another major trend this week involved what many researchers are calling physical AI. Not just software intelligence, but AI interacting with the real world. Unitree demonstrated advanced humanoid robots capable of skating and complex movement coordination. Meanwhile, companies like Asylon and Thrive Logic showcased AI-powered security systems capable of autonomous perimeter monitoring and threat detection. The line between robotics and AI is disappearing. And once AI systems can move, observe, and operate physically in real-world environments, entire industries begin changing. Security, warehousing, manufacturing, logistics, military operations, healthcare. This transition could become one of the largest labor disruptions in modern history. But AI's impact is not limited to business and automation. Some of the most important breakthroughs are happening in science. New AI frameworks like Regvelo and Mangrove.js are showing promising capabilities in biological modeling and cancer prediction. Researchers are increasingly using AI systems to analyze genetic interactions, disease progression, and molecular structures faster than traditional methods. That means AI may eventually accelerate scientific discovery itself, and that changes everything. Because once AI starts helping create new science, technological progress could begin compounding much faster than human civilization is used to. But despite all the excitement, there's also growing anxiety. Many experts warn that AI development is accelerating faster than society's ability to regulate or fully understand it. Market concentration is reaching historic levels. A handful of companies now control enormous portions of the global AI ecosystem: compute, models, chips, cloud infrastructure, and data pipelines. And while billions are flowing into the sector, questions remain about long-term consequences. Who controls these systems? Who benefits? Who gets replaced? And how much autonomy should AI actually have? One thing is becoming very clear. The AI race is no longer theoretical. It's happening now. And every week, the systems become more powerful, more integrated, and more difficult to ignore. We are watching the foundation of a new technological era being built in real time. An era driven by autonomous agents, massive infrastructure, advanced robotics, scientific acceleration, and increasingly intelligent systems woven directly into daily life. Whether that future becomes revolutionary or dangerous may depend on decisions being made right now. I'm Elena Volkov. This has been your AI Weekly Update. Subscribe to AI Alert Room for more deep breakdowns on artificial intelligence, emerging technology, autonomous systems, and the future shaping the modern world. And I'll see you next time.